are we doing Facebook World? Cameron Stewart here, not Cameron Stewart speaking. Just out here in Point Chev. Just settled this property out here today. So it's going to be around a 5-week project from start to finish. So I thought I'd do video one. I'll do 4 videos over the progress of this project. So this is video 1 of 4. So just bear with me. I will spin this camera around. Just give me a minute. So this is a cross-lease property. So this is the exterior. You've got fibre light cladding all down the side here. All this concrete will get pulled up. This clothesline will be replaced. Be all fully painted. New gate, shed painted. At the moment it's just a bit boring. So you got a big garage in there. This is down the side of the property. This here will get fixed up a bit nicer. There'll be a new path along here. This deck is going to get extended out, so it'll be all done in Quila, so it'll be coming out to about here, about an extra 2 metres off there. All new, all of that dark green colour will be painted white, and it'll be all new plastic stuff up the top. So the deck will be actually really spacious out here. So you've got, you know, good sized section, and then there'll be just the path continued along there. So you've got the bottom part of the house here is this one part's brick, and then the rest of it's got a tile roof. And then in here you've got 2 ranch sliders going out onto the deck. You've got a huge big lounge, so there'll be all new flooring going in here. The kitchen will be quite a bit bigger. The kitchen will go out to about here on the wall, so if you look at that, it'll be a much more spacious kitchen, which would be cool. But as you can see, it's got really good light, all north facing, so it'll look pretty awesome once it's all done. Then you've got the front area here. There'll be a glass balustrade going in here. This goes upstairs to the bedrooms. Bedroom 1, so it's a 3-bedroom. So bedroom 1. As you can see, it's all a tile roof. It's really close to Point Chev Beach here. So it's a really good location. Really, someone just tried to ring me. So it's just a normal house. Then you've got a bedroom here, and then you've got bathroom here, so big family bathroom. And then if you go down here, it goes into an internal garage. So this will all get renovated. This will have a nice laundry area done. It will have like tiles all down here with like a big bench top thing in there. And then you've got, obviously, be all painted up nicely. And a bit of a drain put along here. So that is the Point Chev project. Like I say, around a 5-week turnaround from start to finish. So watch this space and watch this home turn into a beautiful new home ready for its new owners. So have a great day, guys. I'm Cameron Stewart from Get Into Property Limited. Have a great day. How are we going, Facebook? Cameron and Angus calling in here from Point Chev. We're 1 week into this project, so I thought I'd quickly do a video to show you around the progress, what's happening. We've got a new deck in place, scaffoldings here getting put in place at the moment, so that's all good. So be with me. I will spin this. Angus, you going to say hello? Angus, say hello. Say hello. Hi. So we'll just quickly show you around. So out here we've got a big coiler deck. New coiler deck. Here's the master. So we're taking all the plastic off there. That's all going to get painted white. The deck will get covered now. All these stairs here will get coiler on them as well, and there'll be good paths all around here. Obviously landscaping, etc. As you can see, the boys have started putting the scaffolding up now, so that's all good. It's all opened up, ready to go. Getting the jib done. This is just going upstairs. Oh, the bedrooms are the bedrooms. Not a lot going on there. Just normal bedrooms. Bathrooms are getting all sorted out. Baths and getting lined, etc. Mirror cabinet hole. So a little bit of progress. It's only been a week though, so you're not going to expect miracles. And you can see around here, scaffolding's going up. So we're week 1 into Point Chev project here. So Angus, you alright? So we'll see you next time. Cameron Stewart signing out. How are we going, Facebook? Cameron Stewart calling in here from the Point Chev house that we've got under renovation here. We're about a week or 7 days or so from completion. So I thought I'd do a bit of a quick video at this stage before sort of we start to put stuff back together, and yeah, it's things are starting to take shape. So still a fair bit to do, but you'll get the drift when I go through here. So obviously, these paths and all the landscaping's not finished yet. So the bulk of the painting's been done on the outside. All of these gardens will be nicely landscaped. Got the guy coming tomorrow. You can see the scaffolding's come down. So it's looking a lot better off than what it was before. So you've got a nice coiler deck out the front here. All this base has still got to be so in here we've got a new floating floor down here. So as you can see, that really lifts it. The kitchen will go in tomorrow. Once the kitchen goes in and stuff, then you really start to see it take shape. There'll be a glass balustrade goes in here. Obviously this flooring goes all the way through. Then the boys are still full steam ahead. So we've left this part of the house. We had to sort of push the other bottom part, so as you can see the bathrooms have really come together, starting to come together. like I say, in another week or so, you won't notice the difference. It's that's why I thought look at these guys talking on the job. So here's the family bathroom. You know, it's still got to be all grouted and stuff and siliconed and that, but it's coming together. And then down here in the garage, obviously this has been getting tiled. There's a laundry kitchenette going in there, so they'll be quite good, and there'll be cupboards going up along the top there, and then it'll be all tile splashback. Obviously new toilet in there. So it's slowly coming together. I thought I'd just quickly do a video here. Like I say, we're about a week out, just to show you, because between now and the last video I'll do, you'll notice a huge difference. Yeah, so this project's probably taken us about 5 weeks from start to finish, from when we bought it right through to completion. So it'll be good to see the end of this one and get it away before Christmas. So I hope you're all having an awesome day. If you see value in this, please share and like my page. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Cameron signing out. How are we going, Facebook? Cameron Stewart calling in here, out here in Point Chev. We've finished here at this property, just doing the final bits and pieces now. House is on the market and ready for sale. So I thought I'd just do a final video, show you how it's looking pretty mint as far as I'm concerned. So I'll just spin this camera around and share this with you. So this is looking from the front of the property. Just got a couple of things getting done on the outside. Getting the steps tiled here. This is the yard. It's all been grass seeded. So pretty clean lines. So it's a nice clean space on the outside. Just got a drain getting finished off around the side here. Just getting finished off there. Just finishing that tiling on the step there. Everything inside is done. All new garage carpet in here. All new blinds on the windows. Which is quite good. And then we've got the laundry area here. Toilet. Cupboard space. We've just got a balustrade getting put up in here. New balustrade, glass balustrade there. So this is the lounge area. Dining. And kitchen, so you've got a really big modern kitchen, spacious. I'll just get up past you there, mate. And then up here. So we've got handrails and stuff getting put on, so we've got bedroom 1. Staging's awesome. So you got 3 double bedrooms. So this is like the master. Bathroom 1. Tiles all up to the roof, you see. And then you've got the other bathroom here. And then we've got the handrails and stuff going on here. So, and then the glass balustrade will go on too, so it'll look really good. So anyway guys, that's Point Chevalier House 1, and yeah, it's been about a 5-week project, and it's on the market now and ready to go to the new owner. So hope you're all having an absolutely fantastic day. We'll see you next time. Cameron signing out.